And starting next month, candidates will begin filing to become Lewis and Clark County's second Justice of the Peace. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian looks at why the county is adding another justice court and what it will take to get ready for a new judge.
In 2010, Mike Swingley was elected as Lewis and Clark County's only Justice of the Peace.
It's a very satisfying job. I feel very fortunate to be here. It was always my goal to be the JP in Lewis and Clark County from the time I was a kid.
Swingley oversees the first court appearances for people charged with felonies, including setting their bonds. But he also handles all misdemeanor criminal charges in unincorporated Lewis and Clark County, along with civil court trials for amounts up to $12,000 and small claims cases up to $7,000.
It's more than just a judge. This is for 99% of the public. This is the one court that they will come to in their lives for some small infraction.
Swingley says the court's caseload has been growing significantly, especially with drug-related crimes. Since 2011, he estimates his court has handled about 60,000 filings.
When we have so many cases and only so many calendar days in the year, obviously when you do the math, it's very difficult to get everything scheduled.
Swingley asked county leaders to add a second Justice of the Peace. 7 other large counties in the state already have 2. Last November, the county commission agreed to create another justice court. The new judge will be elected next year and take their seat in 2021. County leaders said adding a justice of the peace will cost about $173,000 a year for salaries, additional staff, and other costs. One issue for a new justice court will be space. City leaders say they're looking at the possibility of moving the Helena Municipal Court from the courthouse into the new Law and Justice Center. If that happens, the county says a second Justice of the Peace could take over that courtroom. Swingley says he encourages anyone interested in this position to consider running.
And I'm looking forward to it. I think that with another judge in here and a little lower caseload for each, we'll be able to serve the public even more.
In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Lewis and Clark County elections will start accepting candidates for Justice of the Peace on January 9th. Candidates don't have to be attorneys, and whoever is elected will go through training before taking office.